Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you love toffee, then you gotta check out this Heath bar. These are really delicious, a nice thin piece of English toffee, which has a really deep, dark, rich flavor to it, almost on the border of that burnt sugar taste, which I really like. And then it's coated in chocolate, so you can't go wrong. So this is got a really crispy, sort of crunchy texture to it, and they are awesome for eating, of course, just out of the package. But I really like to use these in baking and topping different desserts. It adds just something interesting and a nice little crunch. So they are awesome to keep on hand if you love to bake as well. So whether you are topping some baked goods or ice cream, or you just want to eat it right out of the package, these Heath bars are super delicious. They're a really nice balance of sweet and crunchy and a really deep, rich flavor. And I think you'll love it. And that's my point of view.